Love is like a fresh brewed coffee in the morning.
Love is like an intense feeling towards someone or something.
Love is like a word that we use to say how much we care.
Love is one of the strongest words that is commonly misused.
But soft, but light through yonder window breaks. It is the east and Juliet is the sun. Arise for his son and kill the envious moon, which is already sick and pale with grief, that thou her maid art far more fair than she.
I use the word, but words use it when they want something from you, if you know what I mean. Assholes.
Love is such a beautiful thing.
Love makes me happy, eh? I love thinking about my boo. You already know.
Love is so cute. I love you. Oh, I love you too. I'm gonna cry.
Love is just so dramatic.
Be not her maid, since she is envious. Her best delivery is but sick and green, and none but fools will wear it. Cast it off. It is my lady. Oh, it is my love. Oh, that she knew she were. She speaks, yet she says nothing. What of that? Her eye discourses. I will answer it.
Love makes the world go round.
Love is my show to my boo.
Not all guys think love is just sex. Guys have hearts too. I'm not an asshole.
I am too bold. 'Tis not to me she speaks. Two of the fairest stars in all the heaven, having some business, do entreat her eyes to twinkle in their spheres. What if they were in her head?
If you love me, show me some affection. Actually, show me how you felt for me. Rather than saying those three simple words that mean nothing to you, more than words is all you gotta do.
Uh-oh.
Actions speak louder than words. Don't put a ring on it if you don't love your girl.
Love? Who used the word love anyways? It's overrated.
You hear the word all the time.
The word is so stupid.
Her eye in the heaven through the air pigeon strings, so bright that the birds would sing if they were not night. See how she leaves your cheek upon her hand. Oh, that I wish I were left upon that hand, that I might touch that cheek.
Love is an affection you have towards someone. It's an emotion.
I love you.
I love you too.
Prove it to me. Yell it to the whole world.
I love you.
So did you yell it to the world?
I did. You are a whole world.
For many people, love is different. For some people, love doesn't mean anything. For some people, love means everything. I'm in love with the idea of being in love. I love the feeling you get when you're close to someone you have feelings for. I love the way it makes me happy.
I love the idea of someone being able to talk to me at all times, having someone to make me smile and laugh. I'm scared of being in love too. I'm scared of rejection and being all brought down.